to the scene. So when you move in a 3D scene, 3D scenes are a little harder to manage. Okay, let's talk about how to move around and look around in the scene. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that your mouse has 3 buttons. Okay, the left mouse button, the middle mouse button, and the right mouse button. Okay, so we're gonna start with the left mouse button first. Alright, to click on anything, this allows you to select them, and the other button that you want to have on your keyboard is the alternate button. So if you left click, this selects objects. If you hold alternate and then you left click, this rotates the scene around a certain object. Alright, if you click on the middle mouse button, this allows you to pan. If you scroll the middle mouse button, this allows you to zoom in and zoom out. If you right click, this allows you to look around the scene. And if you alternate right click, this again allows you to zoom in and zoom out. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can play around with the buttons a little bit. The other thing I want to show you is that you can right click and then you can press WASD to kind of move around the scene, and then you can press Q and E as well to move up and down. So this allows you to control your view in the scene. This doesn't actually affect the game, but you know, being able to navigate around a 3D scene is very important, right? Especially when you're building a world, when you are placing items in the game mode and all that stuff, alright? So it's very important that you are familiar with how to navigate around the scene. Okay, later we'll talk about the 2D way of navigating around the scene. It's a lot easier, but if you learn everything in 3D, then when it goes over to 2D, it becomes a lot easier for you to adapt to it. This is why I'm covering the 3D part of things first. So the next thing you want to be aware of is